If you've been wondering how to link project timelines to your proposals in the most efficient way possible, this quick 3-minute tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do that without the fluff. I've tested all the most popular platforms so you don't have to, and by the end, you'll know how to seamlessly integrate timelines into your proposals and actually impress clients, not confuse them. Stick around because I'm also giving you access to an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using, only available through my channel. Let's get straight to it. First, log into the software. Once you're inside your dashboard, head over to the proposal section. If you don't see it, it's usually nested under projects or documents. Click Create New Proposal or open an existing one you want to update. Inside the proposal editor, you'll notice a section or widget block where you can insert modules. Look for the one labeled Timeline or Project Plan. If it's not visible by default, use the plus icon to add a new section and select Timeline from the menu. Now here's where it gets powerful. This software allows you to either create a timeline from scratch or link it directly to an existing project. Choose Link Existing Project. A drop-down will appear with all your active projects. Select the one this proposal is for. Once linked, the software automatically pulls in key milestones, deadlines, and even task owners. If needed, you can toggle visibility settings so your client only sees what's relevant, like phases, due dates, and dependencies, but not internal notes or resource assignments. Make sure you customize the timeline title. For example, instead of just timeline, write something more client-facing like a 6-week launch plan. This adds a professional touch and sets expectations clearly. To make it even more useful, you can add notes under each phase explaining deliverables or outcomes. This is gold during client presentation. It keeps things visual and aligned without overwhelming anyone with jargon. After editing, preview the proposal. Make sure the timeline flows well with the rest of the content. You want it placed after the introduction, but before the pricing. This ensures clients see the plan before they see the cost. Then hit Save or Send. Your proposal is now linked to your project timeline in a way that looks polished and professional, and keeps your team and client on the same page from day one. Here's the key takeaway. Linking your project timeline to your proposal doesn't just make you look organized, it makes you look prepared and client-focused. It sets the tone for trust and collaboration right from the pitch. Quick recap: open or create your proposal, insert the timeline module, link to your existing project, customize visibility and labels, preview it for flow, and send. That's it. And don't forget, if you want to follow along or implement this right now, grab the exclusive free trial linked in the description. It's only available through my channel and gives you access to everything I just showed. I'm Dan Thorne. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.